guys, so we have pulled up to the Dollar Tree. It's early in the morning. You know, I like to get in and out. I do most of my shopping early in the morning because your girl does not like to stand in the line. So yeah, so I do most of my shopping in the morning, and so I had a slow morning, and I am out getting some items from Dollar Tree. Hopefully I find some. I'm making a DIY wreath, so come on, let's do this. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that my theme of this Christmas is farmhouse. So when I get home, I'll show you my tree, and just a theme that I want to kind of like stick with, because the wreath that I am DIYing, it's going on my door, so I kind of want it to match my theme. And you know, when I am the type of girl, when I get a theme, I'm about to theme it where I can't theme it no more. So I'm doing like, I'm not going all out with the decorations this year, just because I think that I want to focus more on like getting my house together per se, if that makes any sense to anyone. But for the most part, I do want to, you know, decorate, because my grandmother loved Christmas, and every year, like, it's just, I can like feel her spirit like when decorating, because she loved putting up the Christmas tree. She loved like family and just cooking and just getting everyone together. And so it reminds me of my grandmother. And so when I decorate and get all of these things and I just look back at them, it's just like a wonderful feeling. And so last year I didn't decorate, and I was kind of down about it. But this year I said, you know what, I'm going to decorate. It's not going to be like my normal decorating, but I'm definitely going to make sure that I feel her presence this year, if that makes sense to anyone out there. But if it doesn't, then that's what decorating means to me. So I am decorating with a purpose. So yeah, so let's check out this Goodwill right now. Okay, that Dollar Tree was even worse than the other Dollar Tree. That sucked. Okay, so I'm gonna call it a day for the Dollar Tree today, because they're not giving what they need to give. So it's a hard no. All right, well, let's see what I can do with this. It may not be a DIY Dollar Tree. It may be something else that I do, but let's see. Stay tuned. We have our wreath. All right, so we have our wreath. $4 at Walmart. This is going on the door. I picked up a few items here. Most of them, well, not most of them. So I have some extra lights here. And then I have some mini ribbons that I picked up from Walmart. And then I have this bow that I'm not sure that I'm gonna use right here. And then I have this. And then I purchased this from Ross. And let's see what I can make here.
So I decided to show you this part. I don't know if it's like a DIY, but I want one of these trucks to put under my Christmas tree, and I didn't like the color of it. So I'm gonna spray paint it black and then spice it up a little bit. So stay tuned. All right, here's the final truck here. I think I like the wheels how I left them. They kind of look rusted. And then I just purchased this basket from Rose. And then I have some of these are fake gifts. I don't know if y'all like hang fake gifts under your Christmas tree, but I do, to give it the full vision that I was going with. But here's my Christmas tree. I'm not sure if I showed you guys my Christmas tree. It is a farmhouse theme here. Here's my angel. Hey angel. I have very brutal red on this Christmas tree. Mainly I wanted it to be a farmhouse theme. I am noticing that I am keeping ornaments throughout the year. My best friend gave me this ornament when we got married, the first year we got married, so that's why it says our first Christmas. And then this ornament is my grandmother. If you guys watched this video earlier, you know that this means a lot to me. It is bent up, so I may take some time next year to make another one. This is my grandma one, and this one is Marcus' grandma Christmas balls. We made these 2017. And then I just have different ornaments. Different ornaments. These nutcrackers Marcus gifted me when we first started dating in 2017. No, 2013, 2014, I think. I don't remember. I can't remember. Then we got the Holy Bible, because you know, what's Christmas without the Holy Bible? Got some more ornaments. This is our 2001 ornament. I won't go into detail on that one, but yeah. So I have a quick question. So am I the only person that decorate like all of my Christmas tree? Like some people don't decorate the back of their Christmas tree, but I actually decorate the back of mine. This one is a joy to the world. But yeah, here is the Christmas tree. Now my wreath is not going to be anything along this line. Marcus wanted to have a little bit of red, and so I said, okay, I can compromise and give you some red. So that is why you see the red. If it was up to me, I would have made it this kind of rustic look, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, this is my Christmas tree. Love, love, love it. Let me turn off this light so you can see, like, boom. Y'all, this is a real gift. This is Marcus' gift. Look at it. Oh, I see like something needs to be right here. Like a light or something. Where's the light at? Yes. Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's black right here. Trying to fix this real quick, y'all. Oh, that one's hiding. I have to get this one. Okay, but yeah, here's the Christmas tree. So cute. Love it, love it, love it. Yes, and I hope you guys enjoy this YouTube tutorial on my DIY wreath. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all of that. All right, bye.